What? What is going on?
Huh?
What do you mean, huh? Fish don't know how to drive. This is an old animation tool. Do you want to see how you can fix it? First, draw a fish on one side. And a car on the other side. Now, put the two circles together. String to each side. Let's see if our magic works. It's a thaumatrope! Now it's your turn. Pick two things you'd love to see together. You can draw anything you want because it's your thaumatrope. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye!